What is CRM in Harmony? CRM is a big concept that overlaps throughout Harmony. Components like customer records, history, document management, agreements, calendar, and projects are covered elsewhere. In fact, many people think of all of Harmony as a CRM, but it's much more. It combines everything from a CRM, a CSM, an ATS, a CMMS, a BPM, a BI, and an FMS, all rolled into one, specifically designed for property management. If that acronym soup makes your head spin, don't worry. It will all make sense as you watch these videos. In this video, we'll cover the communications in CRM, which will give you a glimpse into the entire prospect and customer management functionality of Harmony, while highlighting your interactions with people through simple, effective, and often automated communication. Harmony CRM has structured systems that allow you to interact with 3 levels of people connected to your business. Listing inquirers. Prospects, including applicants and candidates. Clientele, including owners, tenants, guests, vendors, sources, association boards, and association members. Of course, the goal of CRM and of business is to reach prospects, message effectively, convert them to clientele, and retain them with consistent communications that match your powerful management prowess. This is all wonderfully simple in its execution, so let's take a look. Your CRM includes both inbound and outbound messaging. Web-based actions, like those from structured inquiry forms, rental applications, and candidate applications automatically feed into the system. In addition to your own structured inquiries, the Harmony Communication APIs allow third parties, like distributed partner listing sites, to feed into your CRM for unified communication management. There's a powerful system within Harmony's listings marketing that allows you to do text marketing for available units. When you use this, in addition to automatically generating text responses for the inquiries or showing requests, the contact and their request automatically feed into your CRM. For other unstructured generic email communications, each agent account has their own CRM email address. This is not an email address you'd give out, but rather one that you'd forward to from your public email address. For example, if we publish our email address as hello@jimsmanagement.com, we forward our hello email account to this CRM email. In this way, inbound emails don't stop at your email system, they continue on and feed into your CRM system. These inbound emails are automatically connected to existing prospects and clientele, keeping a record of all inbound and outbound communications within their account and viewable from their portal, if enabled. When viewing a message from a person, the Harmony AI will give you additional options based on the message, like triggering the creation of a work request, an additional communication, or a task or project. When you receive a structured inbound inquiry, like those from listings, Harmony gives you the opportunity to convert the inquirer into a prospect. At any stage in the process, you can decide if this is someone that you want to track, or if it's a tire kicker that will go nowhere. For applicants and candidates, they are automatically added as a prospect in your prospect database, and converted once their application is accepted. Both the rental application system and the candidate application system are very powerful solutions in Harmony, and provide the single most effective way to streamline the process of converting a prospective tenant, vendor, source, or employee into a fully onboarded person with all of the required messaging. For anyone else, including generic email inquiries, you can create the prospect profile for them and track all future communications within their account. You can also add prospects to messaging campaigns. Campaigns are a powerful tool that allow you to keep in contact with a prospect without doing any work. For example, you might create 2 campaigns, prospective tenants and prospective owners. In your prospective tenants campaign, you might send them an email on day 1 with information on why they should rent from you, how to find all of your available listings, and how to apply online. Then, on day 3, you might send them another email highlighting some testimonials from satisfied tenants, along with your superior maintenance policies. On day 5, you might send an email advising that if they still haven't found their ideal rental, they can register for Notify Me. All of these messages, and the structure and timing of the campaign, are set up once in Harmony. Then it's just a matter of adding the prospect to the campaign and letting it do all the work. For your prospective owner campaign, you might have it send an email immediately, outlining the benefits of your superior management. Then on day 2, you'll have the campaign trigger your in-house client acquisition team to place a phone call to the owner. On day 4, you'll send a text to the owner giving them a special offer and direct contacts for your team. It can go on until you've signed up the owner. Again, all of this is set up once and automated when you add an owner prospect and add them to the campaign. In addition to the automated communications and campaigns, you can always include manual tasks, like researching the owner's unit in the tax records and generating an analysis to send. Campaigns are not limited to prospects. You can have campaigns for any number of things, like comeback campaigns, useful for vacation rental guests, referral request campaigns, or anything else where you want timed and automated messaging. Most of your outbound messaging will be based on Harmony templates. For each action, there is a specific template. The sky's the limit when customizing your templates to your brand, with the information you deem appropriate. The templates will contain specific merged data from the system, as well as custom messages that you insert, where applicable. Gone are the days of typing out an entire message to communicate. In Harmony, the whole message is automatically formulated in real time, then sent. In your configuration, you determine if a message based on a specific Harmony action will always be sent, never be sent, or allow you to choose each time. Whenever you send a message from a system action, the message is correlated with that specific item and always viewable when looking at the item. For example, all communications sent to a vendor or a tenant from a work order can be viewed from the tenant's account, the vendor's account, and from the work order itself. Harmony supports both text messaging and email messaging equally well. Email obviously gives you more control over formatting and is typically better for longer or more intricate communications. However, for each person, you can specify whether they prefer to receive messages by email, text, or both, and the Harmony AI will honor the preferences you set. In each person's account, you can see all messaging that's occurred, as well as all campaigns and the remaining items to be sent. You can also send individual messages, not based on a specific system action. Create templates for these messages for consistency and simplicity, or type them out or dictate them in Harmony. When you send a message with an attachment, these attachments are stored with the message, and also added to the person's document folder for easy future retrieval. The same is true when a person sends a message with an attachment to you. Many messages, like individual messages and appointment confirmations, support the Send Later functionality where you can choose a time in the future to send the message. Once you're all set up with CRM and Harmony, you'll find the ease and automation will revolutionize the way you do business.